Hello, class, and welcome to your science lab on the albedo effect. All right, so by now you should be at the lab table and all ready to go. So, in order to get you there, what you're going to need is your science notebook and you need your handy dandy handout. Remember that you need to pick up your lab paper from the Student Center. Make sure that you get the one that's called Heating Earth's Surface Albedo. All right. At your lab station, please make sure that you have the following before you proceed. You are going to need to have a heat lamp, two thermometers, a plastic cup with a lid, black and white construction paper, and some tape so that you can be successful in this lab. If you don't have any of these items or something is missing, please raise your hand and I will come over to you. Or if I don't see you raising your hand, just simply ask me. All right, so you have your heat lamp. This is going to be our heat source. I would like for you to set this up like this. If this cup is not available for this lab, just anything that's going to hold that heat lamp into place so that it can sit up high. You can use a chair, ruler. I should have something at the table for you, but again, you need to make sure that you have something that's going to hold that heat lamp up for you. Okay. Then after that, you're going to open up that container, and in the container, you're going to see all those materials that I just listed. So these are the materials that you're going to need to utilize first. That black and white construction paper, what you're going to do is you're going to cut just enough so that it can wrap around the cup. You're going to tape it to the cup. So my suggestion is after you cut the slit, tape one part and then do the wrapping and then tape the other part as well. All right. So basically, when you're done, you're going to have set up just like this construction paper wrapped around with the lids, and then you will place those thermometers into the lid as it tells you in the instructions. Again, you're going to read the instructions. It tells you the distance. I'm not going to tell you that because you need to read that. It'll tell you the distance that you need to have those cups away from the heat source. All right. So please make sure you measure and follow those instructions accordingly. All right, and then now you're in experimentation. So please follow the instructions as written. So when you open up, you will see that this is what you have, and you're going to record your data in the chart here. This chart is what you're going to use to create your graph, okay? Because again, in science, we want to show our findings, okay? All right, and then don't forget to answer your analysis questions because those are important too. In science, we don't just do the experiments, we also do our analysis and our conclusion and reflection. All right, so basically that is it for this lab. So happy learning. And again, if you have any questions, just feel free to ask me, and then you'll turn this into the Google Classroom. All right, students, bye bye.